So today's agenda, data analytics. Python. Within the Python, there are some special modules are there. Those are NumPy and Pandas. So initially we go with NumPy. Then in tomorrow class, I will explain about Pandas. Okay. So finally, by using NumPy and Pandas both help, like how we can do the data analytics you will be learning. Especially when you talk about the data analytics, you need to able to apply statistical analysis. Don't worry whether you are from the statistical background or not, it doesn't matter. Okay. So when you step into the statistics, some basics to up to advanced predictive model level we will be discussing. Later, with the help of NumPy and Pandas, how to implement the same statistical analysis into this Python you should know. So initially, I'm going to talk about NumPy. Its full form is numerical Python. Okay, that is what NumPy full form. So main purpose is there are two purposes. Especially the matrix multi-dimensional objects. To work with multi-dimensional objects. So what exactly multi-dimension, what is single dimension, everything we will understand. Mainly matrix-based computations. Okay. So especially in the data analysis, even in statistical analysis, machine learning, deep learning, we have different techniques to do this data analysis, especially in the data science industry. Okay. So in all these three departments, most of our calculations are based on the multi-dimensional objects. To work with multi-dimensional object by using traditional programming techniques, that is, we need to write some lengthy code. But with NumPy, the library NumPy, making this process simple. Okay. A simple example I will tell you. So before going for this, let me set up this NumPy. I will enter into Google Colab. Just only Gmail account is enough for this to get into this. And you can practice all Python work. Better you install the Python into your system. The two Anaconda flavor, Anaconda framework you just install. Just in the Google type Anaconda for Windows. It will provide you the link. Just click on this, that will be downloaded. When you run the installation, simply say next, next, next. In just 2 to 3 minutes, you can set up Anaconda into your desktop. If it is Google Colab, this is on the cloud, the Python run environment on the cloud. So with the help of internet only, we can work with this. Okay, that's why just better install Anaconda flavor into your system. So here in the Google Colab, we write the programming in the form of notebooks. Already I have many notebooks over here. I'm going to create a new notebook. I'm simply printing something. This is called code cell. Within the code cell, you can type all your Python statements. Already you know Python coding rules. Okay. Just a minute. That's being connecting with the computing machine. Screen not display, sir. I will stop and share it again. Now, sir, please confirm you are getting now. Yes. Okay. Now it is connected. So in the Google Colab, directly NumPy is available to you. Suppose in our system NumPy not available, directly from the code cell. From the command prompt, you can say pip install. Suppose if you want to do the same thing from the code cell, put this symbol. Okay. Pip install NumPy. Of course, in the Google Colab, NumPy is already available. If not available, you need to install like this. I just run this. So here observe the things requirement already satisfied. That means NumPy is already there here. The next step to work with NumPy, what you need to say is import NumPy as, give some alias. Yes. That alias name is NP, any name you can give. But I'm trying to give meaningful name. The short name for the NumPy is NP. Now, sir, I need some answer from you. I'm taking something with this symbol and keeping some values into this. What is the data type of the A? Please reply in the chat. What is the data type? Whenever you see this symbol, what is the meaning of it? That is a list object. Okay. This is normal Python list object. Got it. Okay. Observe here. For each element, I want to add 100. I am saying A plus 100. What happens? Just observe. It will give you error. Because data type of A is list, data type of 100 is int. That means one list plus one single value you want to add. It is showing error. For this, what is the solution? In normal Python. That means in core Python. What is the solution for this? For each element you want to add something means you need to use transformation technique. Let's say B is equal to first expression and then for loop. What is the for loop here? For X in A. A has 5 elements here. Loop runs for 5 times. That means 5 iterations. At each iteration, each value is coming into variable X. What you wanted to do that X, I want to add 100. Now look into the B. Both values I am printing, print A and print B. Now check this. Got it. This is Python programming style. But in NumPy will make this process as simple. Observe here. Data type of A is list. List has 5 elements. This list I want to convert as NumPy array. I'm using some capital A symbol. Capital A is equal to np.array to convert one list into NumPy array. The statement is np.array. np.array of A. Now here with name A, there are 2 objects. One small letter A, second one capital A. Small a is Python object. Capital A is here NumPy object. Observe here, I'm saying type of A. That is NumPy, ND array means n dimensional array. Okay, that means simply it is representing as NumPy object. Okay, if it is NumPy object, what's the thing? I'm saying that B is equal to capital A plus 100. Whenever I apply the same kind of statement in Python, I got error. But here, what I try to do is, for each element of A, I want to add 100. Now check the value of the B. For each value, 100 is added. Previously, A values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now for each value, 100 is added. Understand? So this is a simple, one of the simple behavior, simple advantage. That means it is reducing your code length. Okay, based on this, you tell me one more thing. I am taking your salaries. Suppose first person salary 10,000. Next 30,000. 50,000. 60. 1 lakh. So by using NumPy technique, I want this solution by using NumPy technique. Find tax 10%. For each employee, I want to apply the tax value is 10%. First, you need to convert your list into NumPy array. Let's say S equal to NP dot array of salary. Okay, after that, I'm going to find out the tax. Tax equal to S into point. That's it. So whatever the arithmetic expression you have given, that operation will be done for each element of that NumPy array. Got it? Now check the value of the tax. Now tax is a NumPy array. So 10,000. 10,000, 10% means 1,000. Look into the last value 1 lakh. For 1 lakh, 10% means 10,000. Okay. Here dot is applied for each value. There is a dot. The dot represents float data type because I applied into 0.1. Integer into float is float. All of you understood this technique? Now you tell me the expression. Already I have salary. The salaries are in S, converted as NumPy array. Tax I have calculated. I have calculated tax. Now additionally I need HRA. 20% I want to apply. I want to apply 20%. Tell me HRA equal to your salaries into 20% means 0.2. Now look into the values of HRA. For each value, 20% is applied. Got it? Come to one more special facility within the NumPy. Let's print all the things. First, I am printing salaries, printing taxes, and I am printing HRA. Observe all the three separate array objects. What is the net salary, sir? I want to find out that net salary. So look into the first person. His salary 10,000. Tax is deducted. So that 10,000 minus 1,000, 9,000. HRA is a benefit. That should be added. 9,000 plus 2,000, 11,000. Okay. On that way, I want to find out net salary. Now in Python programming, some lengthy code we will apply for this. But in NumPy, just observe. Net salary is equal to the basic salaries minus tax plus HRA. So previously list plus a single value, list into single value. Now list minus list, I mean array minus NumPy array plus NumPy array. Now corresponding elements will be operated. So this operation will be done for first element to first element. Again, if you look into the fifth element, which is last element, 10,000 minus 10,000, sorry, 1 lakh minus 10,000 plus 20,000. On that way, corresponding elements will be automatically operated over here. Now check the value of net salary. I'm just printing this print net salary. Correct? Reply is correct. What is the advantage you identified here with help of NumPy? Okay. So your computation, numerical computations become easy. Without writing multiple statements of the Python, with just 1 or 2 lines of NumPy statements, you can do that one. Okay. One more thing, already I have 4 list objects here. 4 NumPy arrays here. Salaries, tax, HRA, net salary. I'm keeping their names also. Suppose first person is Ravi. Second person Lata. Third person Venu. Next person Veni. And Varun. I have 5 names here. Okay. I'm trying to make them as a matrix. Total I have 5 NumPy array objects. Observe one simple thing. Info equal to np.c underscore. So this is called column combiner. Okay. Within the list, that means within the array symbol, I want first name. Second, salary. For the salary, I have yes already. After that, I am keeping tax, HRA, and net salary. Just observe what happens here. I'm printing info. Of course, here the name data type is different. I'm printing info. Now I'll get a double dimension. In the given values, at least one string value applied means all elements will be automatically converted into string data types. This first line is complete information of the Ravi. This last second line, this is complete information of Veni. What's your comment about the Veni? Veni salary 60,000. So tax applied is 6,000. HRA 12,000 because 20% applied. Final net salary, the take home is 66,000. Got it? So such kind of implementation you wanted to do in other languages, even with the normal Python, in Python fundamental programming also, some lengthy code we need to write. But here with just one single shot, single expression, you could able to do that. All of you understood this? So based on this understanding, I can go to the next steps. Please confirm me, did you understand the advantage of the NumPy or not? Forget about notes, sir. So one session completed, before closing the session only, this Google Colab document will be shared with you. Okay, fine. So because of this, even complex computations also you can make it very easily. Okay. Now we need to understand one thing. Look into the salary. I say it as single dimension. Look into this info. I call this as double dimension. So cleanly observe here. The first one, salary, tax, HRA, net salary, all these things single dimensions. But I combine them into the info. I call this info as double dimension. Simply technically, single dimension means you see only one array. Double dimension means high level, that is an array. Within that, each element is an array of array. In this way, you can create multi dimensions. You can say them as single dimension. You can create a two-dimensional arrays, three-dimensional arrays. Even in data science, we used to work with even 8 dimensions also. Okay. Any number of dimensions that you can create. So first of all, before proceeding this, you need one clarity. When to use what type of dimension? When I should go for single dimension, when I should go for the double dimension, 3 dimension, 4 dimensions like this. So for this one conceptual explanation I give you. Later we go for, again, we'll come back to the again technical. So session being recorded. Yes. So simply one statement, no limit for number of dimensions in NumPy. One simple question here for you. When to use what dimension? How you will decide it? Okay, it's the question. Come on, I try to explain with a pic. Sir, if meeting terminated, please rejoin immediately. Because for every 40 minutes, this meeting will be terminated. So once meeting terminated, immediately with same link, please rejoin. Okay, sir. Forget about NumPy for some time. I'm taking your qualifications. If it is qualification, definitely a single person can have multiple qualifications. That's why I'm using this symbol. In terms of NumPy, this is called as array. In Python, we call it as list. In NumPy, array. Suppose your qualifications are like this. BTech, MTech, and then MBA. How many qualifications here? Suppose this is you. This is you. Your qualifications are 3. Now observe here, sir. Totally, there are 3 elements. There are 3 elements. This is first element. It's second element. It's third element. Each element is a qualification label. What is first one? Qualification label. Second one, qualification label. Third one, qualification label. That means each element talks about only one thing. That means explains about one. That is qualification label. That's why this is single dimension. All of you understood this point. To get more clarity, one more example I will write it here. Suppose you went to a shop, you purchased some products. Totally 5 products you purchased. The given list is are the prices of 5 different products. Please tell me dimension. Please tell me dimension. Single dimension or double dimension or triple dimension, whatever it is. Somebody replied in the chat, single, correct. Why? Because what is the first one? 10,000 is the price of a product. 20,000 price of course, other product, but finally it is talking about what? Product price. Each element talks about price. That means product price. So here collection name is price, but each element of the collection is talking about product price. So this is also single dimension. Got it? Now, okay, I save this picture later. I will attach into the notes. Let's say the big name. 1 minute. Let's come to one more example here. Let's talk about my business. Course fee. Java. $30K. Python. $30K. Data science. $30K. This is the given date. In my business, I have 3 products. For all the products, price is same. That is my business rule. Dimension. Come on, sir. Abhilash said single. Raksha said 2D. Here my statement observe. No need to maintain dimension. Because fee is not changing based on product. Simply you can say fee equal to 30,000. First product price 30, second product price 30, third product price 30, every product price 30 in my business. That's why no need to maintain dimension. List of 30,000 comma, 30,000 comma, 30,000. No need to maintain the dimension. Got clear? Okay. One more shot. Come on, same course. Fee. Java 30. Python 40. Data science 50. Look into only fee. What is dimension for fee? What is dimension for fee? I'm asking what is the dimension for fee? Is a single dimension. Why single dimension? Just out. Okay. I'm configuring a fee like this. 30,000, 40,000, and 50,000. What is the 30,000? Fee of a particular course. 40,000 is also a fee. 50,000 is also a fee. Each element is targeting one thing, the course level. Okay. Is a fee of a course. Second is a fee of a course. Third one is also fee of a course. So each price talks about only one thing here. That is product at that course fee. That's why here it is. The fee is a single dimension. If you look into the only course is a single dimension. If you look into only fee is a single dimension. If you want to combine both the things, then you can make it as a double dimension. But still, we don't go for double dimension in that kind of situations. Here in this example, course is a separate single dimension. And fee also is a whatever the content, the table shape you are seeing on the screen. We have rows and we have columns. We have 3 rows and 2 columns. Seems to be as a table. That means seems to be as a double dimension, but in fact, it's not a double dimension. Here, course separate single dimension, fee separate single dimension. Okay. So I'm bringing you to the double dimension example. Very easy general example. Let's say vegetable market. Monday, Thursday, and Friday. Think that Monday holiday. Look into this bonus today. It's all the prices of the kilogram. Think that this is the result recorded in the last week. Look into this. So please observe what I'm doing and try to analyze. Total number of values, please. All these are the prices. Total number of values. Sir, please.
15, sir.
15. Because you have 3 rows. You have 3 rows and 5 columns. 3 into 5, 15. Okay. Please comment about this 170. That 170 is a price. Please comment about that 170. I need to tell me.
Second row, third column.
కొద్దిగా కొంచెం. Tell me in an explainable way. What is that 170? 170 price okay, but statement not clear. 170 is the price of onion. On which day?
Onion price, sir.
Got it. What about this 10? What about this 10?
Carrot
Hmm?
rate on Friday. Carrot rate on Friday.
Is the price of carrot on Friday. So
Friday.
here, try to understand. Please answer my questions. Number of elements. How many?
50.
15.
15.
Each element is what?
Price.
Each element is price. Price refers how many things?
3 items.
Price refers how
Two.
many things? No. 2 things. What are those? One is veg name. Second one is day name. So price of carrot 10, the statement is not clear. Price of carrot is 10 on Friday. Now the statement is clear. Understand the point?
Yes.
This is called double dimension. So that number of dimensions here is a 2D. In the 2D dimension, each value is a price only. That is the reason in the previous example, I kept course in a separate dimension, fee in a separate dimension. In a dimension, every value should be same. That means the purpose should be same. There are 15 values. Each and every value is a price, but each price is referring to things. One is West name, second one is day name. Understand? So this is called a double dimension. All of you clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm trying
Yes,
to
sir.
make. Yes, please. Any questions? Yeah. Let me say this. Later I will add all these pics into your notes. Now you are doing the same kind of business in 3 markets. Treat that first one a Hyderabad market. This is Delhi market. It's Pune market. In a quick way, I define the same thing. It's the story. Same products, tomato, onion, and carrot. I have days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Same story here. I keep copy of this. Correct. Please answer the things. Number of elements in my business here.
15.
15.
No.
15, sir.
15.
No. It's
In
40.
total.
Zero.
Okay, 45, sir.
Ah,
Total.
It's 45.
Yes, sir.
45 because in Hyderabad market we have 45.
Mining all the markets.
And Pune market 45 and Delhi market 5. Sorry, 15, 15, 15. 3 into 15, 45 values. Each element, please.
Price only,
Is
sir.
there? Price. Okay. Now, let's come to our part to understand about the dimension. I'm keeping some value here, which is 90. Please comment about that 90. Please comment about this 90. 90 is the price of onion. Statement
Wednesday.
on Wednesday. Still not
At
clear.
Hyderabad.
In Hyderabad.
At Hyderabad.
Got it. And one more shot. Let's think about this 100. What is this 100?
Carrot price on Friday, sir.
Friday at Delhi.
In Delhi market.
100 is the price of carrot on
In
Friday
Friday. In Delhi market.
in Delhi. Got it. Now
Yes,
each
sir.
element is a price. Price refers three things.
Yes, sir.
That's why
Subject to
dimension.
date. Subject to date and
Place.
city, sir.
Number of dimensions, how many? Three dimensions.
3.
3.
Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Let's keep some same story. First, let me save it. Big 5. Let's divide this into two parts. It's a morning shift. It's night shift. Think that 24/7 you are doing this business. So go to a market. In morning, if you ask about tomato, the price is 100. Definitely in the evening by 8 p.m. the price will be 70. Again, morning price different, evening price different. Okay. Here I have three markets.
Yes.
Market 1, market 2, market 3. Here also I have three markets. Market 1, market 2, and market 3. In the same order, Hyderabad, Delhi, Pune. Hyderabad, Delhi, Pune. Monday, Tuesday, sorry. In the row side, we are keeping vegetables. Tomato, onion, carrot. The days are here. Okay. Now, here I have 90. And here I have, in the second row, I keep it 100.
Yes, sir.
What is this? What is this 90?
Carrot price on Friday at Hyderabad at morning hours.
On Friday.
In Hyderabad at morning hours.
On Friday. Okay, at Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
In which shift?
In morning shift.
Morning shift.
Morning shift. This is Hyderabad. Think that this is Pune. Comment on 100. Price
On
of
in price and
which is
date.
second
Price of
on Friday
On in price
at
at Pune in
Pune in night shift.
in night shift. Understood?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Now each element is a price, but price refers 4 things.
4 things.
Understand?
Shifts and location and date.
First dimension, come in a reverse order.
4 dimensions.
Come in a reverse.
4 dimension.
First it is referring
Shift time.
next referring
Shift, sir.
city,
Location, sir.
Place.
marketplace. Next,
Day and price.
next product. Okay. Now comment this complete picture.
It's a 4-dimensional array, sir.
Number of elements. How many?
90.
90, sir.
Because morning shift you have
90, sir.
45, evening shift you have
Yes.
45. Total
Got it.
90 values.
90, sir.
Got it.
45, 45.
Each
Yes, sir.
element. Each element is what?
Price.
Price refers
4 things.
4 things. So number of dimension
4-dimension.
is a 4 dimension. Understand? In this way, you can
Yes.
create a multi-dimensional. By using normal programming techniques, creation of these kind of multi-dimensions and processing of this data and performing numerical calculations on that is tough. NumPy is making you simple. This is what exactly the purpose of NumPy. NumPy has 2 objectives. Creation and maintaining multi-dimensional objects, and also performing different matrix-based computations. Okay. Suppose what are the regular matrix-based computations like matrix addition, matrix multiplication, matrix inverse, matrix transpose. By using normal for loop and while loop, if you want to do very lengthy code, you need to write.
Yes.
But Python in NumPy, you have predefined functions to perform all these operations. Okay. All of you, now
Yes.
the time is 10:58. Okay. So take a break for
Yes.
15 minutes. So I will have a chai break. So meanwhile, you also please take our refresh yourself for 15 minutes. Exactly by 11:15 we will meet again.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Same link. Yes.
Yes, sir.
I hope all of you got clarity when to use what type of dimension. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how to create a single dimension, you know? Simply say np.array. You can pass any argument. Argument can be a tuple, argument can be a list. I am passing a list. Now this is single dimension. So how to know the dimension, number of dimensions? There are some predefined functions. In next class, I will explain about them. Just wait, it is connecting with. Now this is single dimension. Observe this one. np.array of list. Within that, one more list. One more list. One more list. In a high level input is a list. Each element is again a list. For the first one, I am keeping 10, 20, 30. Next 50, 60, 80. The third 90, 10, 100. Now is a list of list. Whenever you see list of list as input, that is double dimension. Just print the B. Now is a double dimension. 3 rows, 3 columns. You can call it as a matrix. After this, T for tomato, O for onion, C for carrot. Each product prices changes from day to day. We are considering 5 days. Let's say 100, 200, 130, 120, 90. Same thing about onion. 90, 80, 70, 100, 120. Carrot. 100, 110, 170, 90, 150. Now everything is a single list, not NumPy arrays. I want to make them as double dimension. That to these vegetables to be rows, days to be as columns. Totally 3 into 5, 5 elements. Above this, the prices free is equal to np.array of list. Under this list, first element is tomato, second element is onion, third element is carrot. Now check the value of this price. Apply the print statement for it. What is the dimension?
2 dimension.
Think that it's all the story about the Hyderabad market. Okay. Let's do some modification. Think that the second cell is for Pune, Delhi. I am changing the prices. Let's say this is a D price, Delhi price. The first one is for the Hyderabad prices. Okay. Once again, I rerun the cell. The name H price, I said H price means Hyderabad price. Observe here. I'm talking about Delhi. Let's say D price. It's D price. Again, if you look into only Delhi, that is also a double dimension. Okay. Same thing. I'm talking about Pune. Think that this is for Pune. Let's keep it as P price for Pune price. The P price. Changing some values. Now, if you look into one individual market, that is a double dimension. Now observe, I'm taking price equal to np.array of the list.
H
First
price.
Hyderabad price, Delhi price, Pune price. Now what is the dimension?
3 dimension.
That is triple dimension. So look into this one. This is for Hyderabad. It's for Delhi. It's for Pune. Understood about it? Okay. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Come to the next. Look into single dimension. Let's take a T. Okay. What is the data type of this T? Normal list. Okay. This is a normal list, right? Okay, let's go with a different example. I'm taking capital X. np.array of T. Now capital X is what? NumPy array. T is list. X is NumPy array. Now, how to access NP array elements? Now we are going to work with single dimension. Same as list only. If I say X of 0, I get first element. If I say X of, I can apply negative index also. -1 means last first. That means Friday price I will get. If you treat that X as a tomato price, you have 5 days. 5 days, 5 different prices. So if the question is, what is the price on Wednesday? What is price on Wednesday?
X of 2.
X of 2. Why 2? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday means
Tuesday, Wednesday.
third one means index number 2.
X number 2.
Got it. On that way you can access. You
Yes.
can apply slicing also. I want Monday to Wednesday prices. Monday to Wednesday. Column 2.
2.
What indexes will be taken? Only 0 and 1 will be taken. You have to say.
0.
Now what indexes will be selected? 0, 1,
0,
2.
1.
Start index we missed. Start index missed means it takes from the 0. So Monday to Wednesday prices will take. Similar style. Last 3 days I want. Last 3 days.
-3.
Column.
0.
So what prices will be selected? Wednesday price, Thursday price, Friday price.
Right.
Like this. Got it? On that way you can apply slicing. You can apply index. Now let's look into one more. If it is double dimension, how to access? Accessing from 2D array. Let's talk about H price. Hyderabad price. Look into this content. Total how many rows? How many rows?
3 rows.
Columns 5.
5.
5 columns.
Remember the order. First row about tomato. Second row onion, third row carrot. And columns Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. The story. If you look into the rows, tomato, onion, caret. And columns. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Total 15 values are there. Now I question you. You answer me. What is caret price? On Wednesday. Tell me.
170.
170.
I am not asking this value, man. How to get it from the system? H price of
H.
Yes, sir.
row index, comma, column index.
All right.
Okay, that is the style. Because this is double dimension. Only single value should not pass. Okay, row index, comma, column index. What is the row index for the caret?
3,3.
Minus
3,
1. Minus 1 indicates last row. What is the column number? Column number for Wednesday. Please. Column number 3, that means index number 2 we have to see. Now you'll get 170. Got it. Now observe. I am giving H price. H price of 1 I am saying. What I will get? Complete second row I will get. If you don't give any column number, all columns will be taken. Got it? So what is the meaning? What output I got it here? 1 means second row. Second row is about what? Prices of
Right.
onion.
Onion.
Okay. Now one more question for you. Wednesday prices I want. All products. I mean all vegetables. Your array name is H price. This time, if you say 2, 2 means third column, but it takes second row. That means the second index row. Second index row is third row. Whenever you want to skip, this is the format. If you want to skip row, just keep column here. Understand? Keep column, slicing we apply. Wednesday, which is third column, that means index number 2. How many values I will get? How many values I will get? 3 values I will get because I have 3 vegetables. 130 is the price of tomato, 70 price of onion, 170 price of carrot. All these are the prices of Wednesday about these 3 vegetables. Got it? Come on. Observe here. If I specify both row number and column number, column index numbers, I got single value. For a double dimension, if I request only one particular row, I got a single dimension array. If I specify only column number, I got one more single dimension array. Understood? So based on this, one more trial for you to get more grip on you. Now this is a double dimension. I have 3 rows and 5 columns. What I want is, all of you look into this. I want only this 200, 130, 120 and 80, 70, 100. These 6 values I want. That is, what is my task is, observe the task here. For tomato, onion, list me prices on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I need information of only 2 vegetables. That too not about all the days. I just need only Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday information. H price of the format, comma, left side row, right side column. Left side row, tell me about these 3. Tell me about only rows, 1, 2 rows only I need. 1, 2 rows means colon 2. Colon 2 means what? What indexes will be selected? 0, 1.
0 and 1.
Come on, about the column. I want these 3. Starting 1. Colon. 1 plus 3, 4. That means what indexes will be selected? 1, 2, 3. That
1,
means
2, 3.
1, 2, 3 will be selected. Now just observe the output. Expected result or not? About tomato and onion. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday prices I got. That means if you specify slicing in both areas, you will get a double dimensional. Understand the point? Final task, you tell me. I want these 3. Last 3 days prices I want. About all the products.
H price.
All products I want. That's why I'm skipping.
Colon. Comma.
All rows I want. Last 3 columns I want.
2 is to 5.
Minus 3 column. Minus 3 means last third one. Last third one onwards, all the remaining things are. Just check it now. One more double dimensional. Correct? So in this way, we can subset NumPy arrays. You don't want all the data, you want only specific contents. At that moment, this is the step. Right?
Yes, sir.
One more technique I need from you. Look into H price again. I want 130, 120, 90. That means last 3 days. I don't want about onion. I want about carrot. Come on, ball is on your court. Tell me.
Price.
H price of. H price of. Comma. Left side row numbers. Left side row numbers.
-3.
I want first row, third row. I don't want second row. You cannot apply particular row index numbers. You cannot apply slice. Understand? In this moment, independently, how to separate them. After that, you have to combine them. Understand? Observe here. Let's talk about TM for tomato. Take only tomato. How to take only tomato? H
Array of 1.
of 1. 1, not 1. That is first one, right? This is 0.
Sorry, 0.
What column indexes you want? -3, 4. Last 3 days. Up to now, what is the output? You just check it. Last 3 days of tomato or not?
Right, sir.
Come on, do the same thing for carrot. Do the same thing for carrot. H price of carrot is last one, so that you can say -1. -3 colon. Now look into the carrot. Now you get only carrot of last 3 days. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now TM separate, CR separate. In the very beginning, we applied name, salary, tax, HRA, net salary. We keep into one matrix. Do you remember in our beginning session?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. TM plus CR.
Yeah. Try to apply the technique. Let's say TC. TC for tomato and carrot equal to NP dot C underscore of underscore of what is the first? TM. What is the second?
TM.
CR. Now check the value of this one. TC. You will get it. But in a column wise, you got it. The first column is about completed tomato. Second column is about carrot.
Carrot.
I'm reversing. Tomato, carrot on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Equal to. I believe all of you know basic matrix mathematics. What is matrix transpose? What is matrix transpose?
2 by 3, converting to 3 by 2.
Hello, sir. అందరం 9th class, 10th class pass అయ్యాం కదా సార్. It's a basic mathematics. In the matrix, what is the meaning of transpose? Converting rows as columns. Columns as rows. Come on, reverse it. If I apply the matrix transpose, TC dot capital T. TC dot capital T. That capital T applies transpose function. Now look into the data of this one. TCWTF. Expected content or not? All of you understood this?
Yes.
Okay. The first row is about what? Tomato. The two on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Second row is about carrot. On Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So in this way, like if you want to skip any rows, you need to follow such kind of techniques. Got it? Okay, still more work. Let's come to the price. How we have created this price? We said NP dot array of a list of H price. And Delhi
price, P price.
and Pune.
Pune price.
What is the dimension of this price now? What is the
Three
dimension
dimension.
of the price? 3 dimension.
3 dimension.
3-dimension.
Look into this. These are the values within that. Now asking you, I need complete details of Hyderabad market. First market Hyderabad, second market Delhi, third market Pune, remember. Same order, Hyderabad, Delhi, Pune. I want Hyderabad prices. Just the object is price. Price of Hyderabad is first one, right? Simply
Yes, sir. 0.
0. You will get it. Got it. Now same structure. Pune price I want. What is it change? Simply say -1 because Pune is last.
-1.
Price of -1, you will get details of Pune. Observe here. I am asking you now. Price of carrot. Price of carrot. Okay. On Thursday. In Delhi market. Sorry, please look into the data. What is my question? Price of carrot on Thursday in Delhi market. What is the number for Delhi?
One.
Second.
Second one.
Second means index number 1.
Index number 1.
1.
Thursday means this is Delhi.
Index of
Last second column is Thursday. Carrot means last row.
yes, sir.
Okay. Which is what is the price? 90.
90.
90.
Come on, tell me. Price of. Comma. Comma. I have 2 commas.
Okay.
Why 2 commas? Because we have 3 dimensions.
3-dimensional.
What is the first dimension?
1.
First dimension is what?
1.
I am not asking number, madam.
Row.
The first dimension is place, sir.
Dimension talking about what? City.
Places. City.
Place.
Hyderabad.
Second dimension talking about day. Third dimension talking about
Price.
Price.
Okay. On that model you need to come. Tell me market dimension. Market for Delhi.
1.
1.
Day.
-2.
That's a -2.
Yes.
2.
Carrot. Asking about carrot. Which is the last one? Minus.
This one.
-1.
What happened? Just check.
90.
Our expectation not correct. Our expectation not correct. Why? Because whenever you said in the primary higher dimension 1, how we have created, this is taken. Now result is 2 dimension. In the 2 dimension, what I want? Row number 1, column number -2. We have to reverse it. -1 here is a, -2 here is a. Now you check it. I got 90 or not?
Yes, sir.
Really understood? Tell me one more answer. Price of onion on Wednesday in Pune market. In Pune market. Come on, attack. What's the number for
2.
Pune?
-1.
-1.
Or minus
2.
-1 also. So whenever you pass -1, what is the result? 2 dimension or not? Just imagine
Yes, sir.
Pune data. Whenever you pass -1, you will get 2 dimension object.
Yes.
Understand? That means 2 dimension means you have 3 rows, 5 columns again. Understand? About what
Yes, sir.
point I am asking? Onion.
Onion.
What is the number? Number for onion. Second one. Second one means index number. 1.
1.
On which day?
Wednesday.
Wednesday
2.
is the 3rd day.
2.
Means index number.
2.
I get this. Correct or not? Tell me. Price of onion. I asked price of onion
Correct.
Correct.
on Wednesday.
Yes, sir. Correct.
In Pune market. Correct, 90. Okay. Observe this. Before that, one simple question for you. You have len function to find out the number of elements.
Yes, sir.
Len of price I am saying. Actually, how many values? 15, 15, 15. Totally 40
45.
values. But it shows as 3, 1. That means it is considering only higher dimension elements. Understand? To get all the elements, all size, you have to say price dot size. Now remember this technique. Okay?
Okay.
Now, my question. What is average price of carrot in all markets? Did you understand my question? What is average price of carrot in all markets?
Yes, sir.
That means what? So from how many markets I need this data?
3 markets.
All the 3 markets. How many products I want?
1 product.
1 product. How many days I want?
Complete 5 days.
Complete 5 days. Okay. Remember this technique. Price of first dimension for market. How many markets? I want all markets. So that column. Second dimension is about product.
Product.
Which product? Carrot. Carrot is third one.
Carrot.
Minus
1.
How many days I want?
All 5 days, sir.
All 5 days. Cool. Now totally how many elements I will get? How many elements I will get? Sir, carrot available for 5 times in the first market, 5 times in the second market, 5 times in the
15
third.
elements, sir.
15 elements. I will-
15 elements.
Yes. All 15 I got it. Understand?
Yes, sir.
I want some. Just observe. What happened? Sum
Yes,
of
sir.
each
Convert to
column is
one.
applied. Sum of
Yes, sir.
each column. This is
Each
first
column.
column sum. Second column sum, third column sum, fourth column sum, fifth column sum. Again, one more sum. What happened? Total sum I
Yes,
got
sir.
it or not?
Yes, sir.
Divided by
15.
average price of colon, comma, -1, comma, colon, dot size. What is the reply of this?
15.
Total 1980. 1980 divided by 15.
15.
What is the average price of carrot in all the markets? 132.
132 rupees.
Got this technique? How you are applying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more assignment for you. Again, look at the data of the price, which is a 3-dimensional. I'm interested about only Friday. I'm interested about only Friday. Of all products, of all markets. What is the average price I will? That means what is the meaning? What are the Friday prices? 90, 120, 150. This is from the first market. Again, 90, 120, 150 from the second market. 90, 120, 150 from the third market. Total 9 values. Okay, I'm interested about only Friday. Of all the products, of all the
Yes,
products,
sir.
of all the
All the
markets.
markets.
Come on, please help me. Price up. How many markets you want?
All markets.
All market.
How many products you want?
All products.
All products. Column. Which day you
Only
want?
Friday. Only Friday.
Last day.
Minus
Minus
1.
1. Now look into this one. Totally will get 9 values.
Yes, sir.
What is the first column?
90, 90, 90.
Again, 1990. What is that? What first column indicates here?
Price of carrot in individual market on Friday.
The first column is about tomato. First column is about completely tomato in all the markets.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Right, right.
Second column is about onion in all the markets.
Onion in different markets.
Third column. That is
Carrot in
Carrot.
3 market.
okay. Totally how many values? Apply the sum here. Look at the data, correct or not? 90, 120, 150, 90, 120, 150, 90, 120, 150.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That means this 90. So about the carrot, you can understand one thing. In all markets, same price happening in the Friday. Tomato
Yes, sir.
same price, onion same price, carrot same price. I want its total. Observe here, instead of saying previously sum you applied, now I am showing small difference. Simply I applied sum. At a short single sum, I got it or not?
Yes, sir.
If I apply some function of the Python, for each column, separate sum is happening.
Yes, sir.
That's why one more sum you applied previously. Instead of doing that,
Again.
NumPy itself has a sum method. Directly price of your required thing dot sum.
Sum.
At a time, total sum will be applied. So that to show you this technique, previous technique with that normal way. Now this is exclusively NumPy way. Okay, divided by total how many elements? 9 elements.
9
9.
elements.
How to get it? Price of
Price
colon,
of
comma, colon, comma,
Minus 1.
minus 1.
dot
Size.
Price.
Size.
you will get the average price of Friday of all the markets of all the products. That is 120. Understood? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what are the previous paint pictures I have created? Those things I will add into the same thing. Just give me 1 hour time. After that, I will add that and I will share totally today 4 sessions, 4 recorded parts. Okay. So all the 4 recorded sessions I will share. Tomorrow, all of you ready? Tomorrow for class? Or you will be in
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Even 31st we can celebrate in the evening, not a problem. Tomorrow
Yes.
evening we will engage, but little early, 9, okay, all of you?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
okay.
9 a.m. Yes. Okay, at least 1.5 hours we will discuss for tomorrow. Like on Monday time,
Okay.
we'll discuss whether January 1st to take leave or Okay, we'll have a greetings by tomorrow morning, not now. Tomorrow class
Okay.
now. And please share me your name, email ID, and also your qualification. So I will share you these recorded sessions and these complete notes for your practice.
Our class is there or not, sir?
Pardon?
Our class is there or not, sir?
వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది సార్. ఏమన్నారు? వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది.
Tomorrow, he's asking about tomorrow's class. Is there not, sir?
Already announced that tomorrow we will sit by 9. Sir, tomorrow we will sit by 9. 9 a.m. not p.m. At least 9 to 10:30. Or if your mood is good, up to 11 we will sit. Okay. So please send me that email ID to my WhatsApp. Once again, I will type my things. Vijay Kumar not here, and please send me WhatsApp. శ్రీకాంత్ నా నంబర్ కరెక్టా కాదో చూడు, నేను టైప్ చేస్తున్నా.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Nine 9391676360. Correct, right? I typed in the chat. Okay, sir. Who noted the number? Just leave the meeting.